In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Substack. If you're getting newsletters you no longer read, or you just want to tidy up your inbox, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can opt out with confidence. To begin, open Substack in your browser, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small menu labeled More, often represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. Click that to open your account options. This menu is your gateway to everything related to your profile and preferences, so it's the fastest way to reach the controls you need. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings page, where Substack organizes controls for your profile, notifications, payments, and subscriptions. Give the page a moment to load so all the sections are visible. Sometimes there's a short delay while your subscriptions are fetched. Once you're on the settings page, find the section labeled Subscriptions. This is the hub that lists the publications you follow, along with the status of each one, whether it's free or paid. It's helpful to scan this list so you're clear about which publication you want to leave, especially if you follow multiple writers or topics. If you manage more than one profile or you've used different emails, make sure you select the account you subscribe from. Choosing the correct account ensures you're editing the right subscription and avoids any confusion later. When you click into the specific publication or account area, you'll see options to manage your relationship with that newsletter. Now, click Unsubscribe. Substack may briefly ask you to confirm, just to make sure this wasn't an accidental click. Approve the action, and that's it. For free subscriptions, you'll stop receiving new posts and emails from that publication going forward. For paid subscriptions, Substack typically notes when your billing will end, so you'll know whether access stops immediately or at the end of the current period. Keep an eye out for a short confirmation message on the page or in your inbox, which is a good sign everything went through correctly, and you're done. You've successfully unsubscribed from that Substack publication. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the publications page and subscribe again at any time. Cleaning up a few newsletters can make a big difference to your inbox and your reading time, and using the settings and subscriptions path keeps everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your Substack experience.